Welcome to another episode of Tax Insights with respected Jeet sir. Jeet sir, have the old forms for non-profit organizations been replaced?
Yes, Rajitha. The earlier forms 10B and 10BB have now been unified into a single, streamlined Form 112, a reimagined audit filing format for registered non-profit organizations.
What makes this new form different?
Form 112 is smarter and simpler. It uses conditional logic, meaning schedules appear only when required. It also comes with ITR auto prefill and built-in system validations, reducing manual entries and minimizing mismatches.
That sounds more efficient.
Absolutely. The form adapts based on the size of the organization. Small and large entities see only the fields relevant to them. This makes reporting focused and practical.
And the benefits?
Less paperwork, fewer errors, faster filing, and smoother audits. Auditors can file reports quickly, grievances will reduce, and compliance will become more predictable.
Smart form and better outcome for everyone. That's audit filing reimagined.